Hello friends, welcome to E-SHIKSHA. Today our topic is list in Python. This is series 9. Let us see what is actually a list. Lists are used to store multiple items or values or data in a single variable. So here I have taken one example. This is a list having multiple data. These are all string data and they are kept inside box bracket. Now this is a numeric data. Okay, this is a numeric list having this data items 12, 78, 90, 56 and 78, and they are kept inside box bracket. So what are the operations we can do with list? We can append, okay, that means you can add a data at the end of the list. You can do extend operation. In that case, what it will do, it will add more than one element at the end of the list. If you want to insert some element inside your list, you can do that also. You can remove element or elements from the list. Then you can do pop operation also. This will remove an element from any position in the list. Reverse will do what? It will reverse the elements of a list, and then this is again a method that will find out the size of the list, that is the number of elements in the list. Now let us learn how to declare a list. Suppose the list name is age is equal to box bracket. I would like to take in small letter, so caps lock of is equal to, you can put any data. So 5 elements I have taken. Okay, so this is how you declare a list. If you want to print the list, you can say what, just this, and all the elements will be printed. Now if you want to print a particular data from the list, then you have to say what, age. And let me tell you one thing about list is, this data, they will have an address, that is the index number. So this is the first position, which will be 0, this would be 1, this would be 2, this would be 3, this would be 4. So if you want to print this element, so you have to say what, age box bracket 0. So 23 is getting printed. If you want to print, suppose this element, so that is 0, 1 and 2, age 2. So this way you can print any particular element from a list. I hope you have understood. So friends, now let us see how to print a range from the list. This is my first example. I said age colon 3 means from the beginning till 3, that is 0, 1 and 2. 3 means before 3 till index number 2 it will take, right? So it is printing 0, 1 and 2. If you take this example, age 2 to 4 means 2 and 3 will be taken, 0, 1, 2. So this and this is getting printed. And if you want to print from 2 onwards till the end, so you say what, 0, 1, 2, from here till the end it will print. So this is how you print the range in a list. Now let us understand that how to create a list having different types of data. So let me take data box bracket open 12 comma false. This is the boolean data, comma, this is the floating point data, right? Then I'll take a string data, okay. So this is having different types of data, comma I have forgotten to give, okay. So I have to type again data, or I can do what, I can use this here. That mistake was actually to put comma. So this is what the thing is. Now if you say data, so you will find all these values are coming. Comma Rahul, comma Rohan. Okay, so 3 names out here I have given, and this list has what? These values. And age, I'll take another list. I'll just do what? 12, 13 and 11. So this is another list. Let me print this list also. And then you do what? Take another list, okay, called M, and I'm going to do what? Name this list, and another list was age. They got merged. Now let me see what value you have in M. So you see, this was one list, this is another list, and together they have become a single list. Let us now use some functions with all this list that we have created. The first one is, suppose this is my name list and I want to add a data at the end. So what you have to say? You have to write the list name, that is name dot append. Append means to add data at the end of the list, and I'll say Rajesh, right? So this will do what? Now let us see name. Rajesh got added, right? Now let me do what? Insert, right? Insert, I have to insert a data. For that you have to say name dot insert, and for this you have to give 2 parameters. At index 2 I am going to insert Monica. Okay, so let me now see this at index 2 whether Monica got inserted or not. So 0, 1 and 2, Monica got inserted, right? Now if I want to remove a value, suppose if I want to remove Monica only, so I have to say what? Remove. That means I first of all I have to give the list name, name dot remove, and within double quotes Monica. Now you see the list. So Monica got removed. Now let me do some pop operation. Let me do what? Name dot pop. And you see, when you do pop, what happens? Rajesh got popped out, means removed. Let me see names. Okay, so Rajesh got deleted. Now let us see how to remove multiple values from a list. So let us create a list first. Price is equal to 300, comma so these are some prices, right? Now if you just see this list, this will show you all the list, I mean values. Now if you want to remove this one, okay, so you have to say what? Delete. The list name is what? Price, and you are going to remove from index 0, right? Now let us see at index 0, 300 you had, whether it is still there or not. Okay, so 300 is now removed. Now if I want to remove 340 and 340 till this one 1000, so you have to say del price, and in box bracket you have to give the range. So 340 is at index 1, 2, this is 1, 2, 3 and 4 I have to give, because if I give 4 then till 3 it will take, right? So you see the list again, that is price. So only one data is left, 560, the rest are all deleted. Now I have to show you the rest of the functions, so I'll just do what? Create this list again. So let me see what it contains. So all these values I have. Now age, and if I say a price, and if I say product, another list I'm creating, product is equal to, suppose 300, so pencil box, this is a string data, pencil box. The next item would be, suppose, pen, lunch box, then school bag, and the final data is, suppose, 1000 rupees, so I have to give something. School spelling is wrong, so SCHOOL, and I have to give, suppose, bus fare, and this is done. So how many elements you have in price? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now you see what you have in product. So these are the things you have. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to add this and this particular list. So for this you have to use the function extend. I would like to do what? Product, okay, and you have to say dot extend, and in round bracket you have to give price. Okay, now you see product. So I said what? In product list you add this price. So in product this you had, and prices are all added here. Okay, now if I just do reverse, so if you do product dot reverse. Let's see what happens. Product. Now you see what you have in product. So now it got reversed. This all data has come in the first part and this part in the last. Okay, got it? So this is how reverse works. Now let me show you the minimum, the maximum, okay, and all those things. Minimum from your price list, okay, 300. See this? From here 300 is the minimum. Now if you say max, from price list, so it is showing you 1000. You cannot see, so this is what the thing is, 1000, right? Now if you want to add all the numbers in the list price, you will say sum. Let me close this, or shall I do this? It's not working. Let me start. Restart Python. Okay. Now I'll do what? Sum the list called price. Oh, I have restarted. So let me close this one and do it fresh. Price, let me take it is equal to 12,70. Any number you take, okay? Now if you say sum and if you say price, it will show you 274. Now if you want to sort this list, for this you have to write a big program, but here you have an inbuilt function called sort. So let us use that one. The list name is what? Price dot sort. Okay, so if you do this, it got sorted, and now you will do what? See the price list. This was the original one, and after sorting, what is the result? Let us see. 12, 50, 56, 67 and 89. I mean, the data are all sorted. So you can use so many functions with list. I hope the concept of list is clear to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll be back soon with another interesting video. Till then, keep learning from E-SHIKSHA. And one more request from all my friends, that is, do like, share and subscribe. That will give me more energy to create some more good videos. Because you watch the videos, do not subscribe and like. I keep waiting for all of you to press the like button. Do subscribe. Thank you so much.